Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use CapCut to edit your TikTok videos. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to edit your TikTok. You're gonna be able to edit your videos. So, once you open the CapCut app, you're gonna be able to see a lot of different options. Let's start with templates. Once you tap on templates, you're gonna be able to use free CapCut templates. Basically, if you tap on one of these, you can add your own photo or video, and it's gonna have a built-in template for you to use, meaning you won't have to edit it yourself. And someone already did the template, so you can easily do it. But if you want to edit on your own, just tap on new project and add a video or photo, which I'm gonna do right now. And once I've added my video, as you can see, it's right here, or a photo. There are more options, and I can't explain all of them, but it's pretty simple editing them. You can go ahead and watch other videos to have a fully detailed explanation on each of these buttons. But for now, that's all I'm gonna be teaching you about. It's very simple to use CapCut. You can split this, and now you have two different clips, or you can edit the speed by doing this or this. And that's pretty much it. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.